How to add background music to Canva presentation. To add background music to your Canva presentation, you have to follow these straightforward steps here. First of all, you have to just go and click on presentation, or just go and click on open your project, your presentation project. Right now here you have to, for example, this is my video, right? Just to show you guys, I will use this preset, right? So it will become much more easy here. Now what you have to do, you have to on the left side go to the element section, right? So let me show you from the start here. This is my element. Now in the search bar you have to search for music, right? And here you will get a lot of option as well as search. So let's have a search for music here. As you can see here, these are the paid music. If you have a paid version, then you can just go to the audio and click on music free, and from here you can get some of the music for free, right? Right now it's not any of the music for free. For example, I want to use this AI music. We can also use this is an app, but just for the this video I will, let's say I want to use this music. I can click and play and check it, it's playing. You won't be able to hear because I have muted the audio, but if I want to use this, I will just go and click on the three dots, and I can use it, or just go and click on it. Once I go and click on it, automatically a new timeline will be open up here. Let me show you. As you can see here, now you can go and adjust that how much I want. So for example, right now when I'm playing this video, automatically the music will come up, right? So in this way, let's say I just go and click on play, you can see the audio is playing. So this is a way where you can add audio to your presentation. Thanks for watching this video.